Hey guys, and welcome back to School of Cardistry. I'm Jaspas, and today we're learning the Fan Vanish. The Fan Vanish is a very simple cardistry move that is based on magic. You see, before cardistry was called card flourishing or even extreme card manipulation, there was already a subgenre of magic, usually stage-styled magic, called card manipulation, in which a magician makes cards appear out of mid-air. One of the moves that frequently appeared in these magicians' routines is the Fan Vanish. However, the version that you saw at the beginning of this video is actually slightly different from the version that is popularly used by magicians. You see, for magicians, it's actually very important for them to hide the method behind the magic. Otherwise, it's not magic, it's just quick hands. So for magicians to hide the method behind the magic, what they do during the Fan Vanish is, instead of immediately making the packet of cards disappear like this, what they do is they employ some time misdirection in which the packet seems to vanish a little bit later than when the actual move happens. However, as cardists, we don't really need that. To us, even if the audience understands that the packet is stolen using the fan of cards in front of it, it doesn't affect our presentation of our art form. The payoff is that if the crowd doesn't understand that it was stolen by this fan of cards because of your very good cardistry skills, then using my method of vanishing the packet of cards using the fan will lead to a more visual, more powerful moment. Go grab your favorite deck of playing cards and let's get down to learning the Fan Vanish. To do the Fan Vanish, first begin with the deck in your non-master hand. Pick up about half the deck of playing cards in a straddle grip and proceed to do a smear fan. Rotate your body so that your fanning hand is able to cover sight of the packet of cards in your non-master hand. With once, with twice, and on the third time with slightly higher like so that you can cover visual sight of the packet of playing cards. Now I'm going to rotate so that you can see what is happening behind the fan of playing cards. After going once, twice and thrice, on the third time, obscure vision of this packet of playing cards. As you do so, toss this packet forward so that you can catch it with your pinky finger like so. I'll do it from this exposed angle for you so you can see what it looks like in full speed now. 1, 2, and 3. From your audience's point of view, you want to ensure that this hand doesn't move as far as possible. So you go 1, 2, and 3. And then you can do a small flourish like this. Whoa! To show that the packet has vanished. To finish this move, all you gotta do is close the fan by opening your hand like so and rotate the fan with the packet behind it into your hand. Now here are some tips. If you want to ensure that the packet vanishing looks magical and amazing, you want to make sure that this hand moves as little as possible. After all, it wouldn't make sense if you go like ta-da! Instead, for maximum impact, you have to create the illusion that this hand didn't move at all. Alright guys, so there you have it. Very easy move, very powerful when performed correctly, and ultimately a very fun move to learn. Now here are my tips to ensure that your learning of the Fan Vanish is an easier process and more fun. Number 1, set up a video camera or mirror so that you can watch yourself as you practice the move. One of the common mistakes that happens while learning Fan Vanish is that you release the packet too early, like this. If that is the case for you and you are practicing in front of a video camera or mirror, then you will be able to see the packet slowly receding under this fan. Whenever that happens to you, just laugh it off. I make small mistake. I fool. The next time, ensuring that you have full cover of the packet before vanishing the packet. Tip number 2 for the fan vanish. If you are worried about throwing a packet this distance from one hand to the other, don't worry about it. Calm down. All you have to do is move this fan closer to this hand. Although the effect of the packet of playing cards disappearing literally right behind the fan like this is less strong as if you were to toss the packet from one hand to the other like this, don't worry. The visual disappearance of that packet of playing cards is still gonna be great. And over time, you can slowly work up to throwing the packet from a bigger distance. If you practice hard enough, maybe one day you'll even be able to make the packet vanish from a distance of like this. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's the fan vanish. I hope you guys are looking forward to the Jaspas Deck Favorite Day 2 editions being released on the 29th of May. Keep practicing cardistry, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.